Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I brought you another job vacancy from Dubai that you can apply right now. For this new vacancy is an office receptionist. So they haven't disclosed the name of the exact company or the office, but it's a tech company where you have to work as a receptionist in that company located in Dubai. So for this vacancy, it's a starting position. Basically, even if you don't have that much experience as a receptionist, you can still apply for this. And also, if you are not residing in UAE or Dubai, still you can apply for this because this company is willing to sponsor for your visa. So this is a very good opportunity for you if you are looking for a vacancy in Dubai, and if I just want to start off in to do a job in Dubai, this would be a very good opportunity for you. So just if I give you what kind of things that you have to do, it's basically a general office receptionist task that we have to do. You just have to greet visitors, manage incoming calls into that company, some kind of daily mails handling. So basically you just have to available in the reception area during their working hours. So that's basically all this is about. And the salary that they're offering is 2,700 dirhams, which is generally an average salary for this kind of vacancy. So if, like I said before, like if you are starting off something in Dubai as your first job or second job, this would be a very good fit for you to apply. And also since they're sponsoring for your visa, that will also be an added advantage, right? So let me explain to you how to apply for this job vacancy. First of all, you have to visit this page that I'm sharing right now. For that, I'll add this link to the description section below. Even if you can't find it, let me show you how to find this web page. So just go to Google and search for NewJobs.ae, NewJobs.ae, and you will find a result like this. And from there, there's a field called job ID in this section. Just copy or type this job ID, which is 7123, and click search. And you'll get a result like this, and you can click on it and you will find the same page that I'm sharing. And even if you are accessing this from mobile, it will be slightly different. The mobile UI, you just have to click this search icon and type the job ID here and click search. Again, you will get the same page here as well, right? So this is how you can apply for this job post. So just go to this apply with section and you will find this email. So all you have to do is create a proper CV of yourself and send that CV into this email with the cover letter. Cover letter business. It should contain some kind of description about yourself, some kind of draft about what you have included in your CV. So the person who is going to view your CV may get some better idea about yourself. And don't forget to mention your phone number and all the contact details as well. That's how they are getting back to you for an interview. So that is basically all about this job vacancy and how to apply for this. So if you have any questions or anything, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, because we are posting these kind of videos every single day. And if you are looking for a vacancy in Dubai or UAE for general, you can subscribe to this channel and find latest job vacancies here. So thanks a lot for watching this video and have a nice day.